这样还不够啊？
为什么这么少？今年没有花红吗？
难道全部给你啊？ I can't always be generous to you.
为什么没有听妈妈电话？
我在忙。
家里冰箱坏了，这个礼拜去买个新的。
我来解约。OK。
修不好了，买个新的吧。
And I'm sorry if I can't give you the best. 妈，用这个。
哎，这个。
Happy birthday to you. I know you expect more of me.
你应该买大一点的车。
But I can't give you all of life's comforts.
啊？发生什么事？
为什么把你妈妈放在这个病房？
我哪里知道？我刚刚从工作过来，
讲不知道，
我自己来了。
I need to make tough choices.
It's too expensive. Can we go somewhere nearer?
I need to make sacrifices. I was given everything while growing up. But I didn't turn out the person I was supposed to become. I turned out normal. I'm sorry for doing this, but I'm thinking of the future.
Ah. 啊？什么？我现在赶过去。黄金有，还有衣服呢，一定有，你自己看，全部都有。
There's so much to prepare for, but I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this for you, so that you won't have to make the choices I have to make. My parents gave me everything, but that was the way then. I will do things differently. I will plan for my retirement so that you don't have to be caught in between providing for me and raising your own family. My dearest Emma, I will be the last sandwich generation. This is my promise to you.
Walang kwentang tao.
Itong maingay na to.
Patahimikin nyo nga yan!
Anyari dito?
Tahan na! Tahan na! Tahan na! Tigil na! Huwag na maingay! Tigil na! Tigil na! Huwag na maingay! Huwag na maingay! Anong tinitingin-tingin mo? Kunin mo to. Eh, paano yan? Wala rin may gusto sa'yo. Ano? Ano? Tara na nga. Ili, tulog anay. Ano nga ba yun? Kalimutan ko na.
Ili, tulog anay. Wala diri.
Hernando Caja, kami po yung tiga social services. Di ka na nakapagtapos sa pag-aaral mo. Pinalayas ka pa ng magulang mo. Wala ka pang matinong trabaho.
Paano mo bubuhayin yung bata?
May trabaho na po ako. Sabi nila, binuhay ko siya. Pero ang totoo, binuhay niya ako.
Mate. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought there was time.
He's just pulled out. I don't have time to stop.
Well, come on, mate. It was a simple mistake.
I don't know if I was going a bit slower.
Please. I've got my boy in the back.
I'm going too fast. I'm sorry.